Hello. In this video, you will learn how to configure log collection and derive business insights from them. This video will walk you through the log collection process, the prerequisites, and the configuration steps. Let's begin by understanding how logs are collected. Logs are collected by beats and passed on to Logstash. Logstash passes the collected logs to the BMC log processor through Internet. The processor saves the received logs to Elasticsearch. BMC Helix Log Analytics provides the UI to analyze and search logs. To configure log collection, you need the API key of your BMC Helix Operations Management tenant. To copy the API key, in BMC Helix Operations Management, go to Administration, Repository and click Copy API Key. FileBeat and WinLogBeat are the supported beats. Download and install the required beats on the computers from where you want to collect logs. Then, download and install Logstash. Let's see how to configure Logstash to send data to Elasticsearch. You will add all Logstash configurations to the Logstash sample.conference file. This file is available in the config folder of the Logstash installation folder. The first task is to enable communication with Beat. In the input plugin, enter the port number through which Beats will send data to Logstash. Ensure that the port is open on the computer where Logstash is installed. To send data to the Elasticsearch, add the HTTP plugin to the output plugin with the log collection URL and authorization details of your tenant. Optionally, you can add a structure to the logs in the form of the field :value pattern. This will make the logs human readable. For this purpose, add the grok plugin. An example is shown here. Then, start Logstash. The Logstash configuration is now complete. The next step is to configure beats. To enable beats to send data to Logstash, you need to update the YML file of the beat. For example, filebeat.yml and winlogbeat.yml. To enable communication with Logstash, first, mark the output.elasticsearch plugin as a comment. Next, uncomment the output.logstash plugin. Then, add the Logstash port number to the output plugin. Next, in the type plugin, change the value of enable to true, then enter the locations from where you want to collect logs. Now, start beats. Now that Logstash and beats are configured, logs are saved to Elasticsearch. Let's verify that the logs are collected correctly. To see the collected logs, go to BMC Helix portal. Click BMC Helix Log Analytics. On the home page, click the Discover tab. You see all the collected logs. Congratulations! You have learned how to configure log collection. To know more about BMC Helix Log Analytics, visit docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching this video.